Greetings everyone, my name is Lince Lukose and I welcome you all to my channel. There are some important informations at the end of the video. Do watch that and be benefited. Today we'll be working on to a chapter and the name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. Help. What is the meaning of the word help? Let's check it out. Help. Make it easier or possible for someone to do something by offering them one's service or resources. In easier words, it says that to make somebody's work easy by giving them service. There are many people around us and they help us in many ways. In this chapter, we will be learning about those people and how they help us. The first category of helper is soldiers. A person who serves in an army is called soldier. The important thing to learn about a soldier is that they have a unique military lifestyle. They don't live the way we live. There is proper training, proper schedule that they follow. They protect us from our enemies and at the cost of their life, they maintain the safety of the border or the integrity of the border. The next category is the farmers. Farming is a most important occupation of a country. A large number of people in our country do farming. Farmers grow different kinds of grains, vegetables, and fruits. They also grow groundnut, cotton, jute, sugarcane, tea, and so on. For a good crop, a farmer needs a flat land, good soil, a large amount of water for irrigation, and the crop quality depends on the climate and the soil. The next category is the category of doctors. They are those who treat the sick people. They apply medicine and cover our wounds when we are injured. When we fall sick, they tell us how and why it happened. They advise us to follow the rules of hygiene to keep ourselves fit. They give us vaccination for diseases like cholera, smallpox, and so on. A group of villages have primary health centers and cities have hospitals. Places where there are no dispensaries and hospitals, there the doctors and other staffs move in a van or a minibus called mobile dispensaries with all the facilities treat the sick people. There are doctors who treat sick animals. They are called veterinary doctors. That's all for today, children. This was our first part of this chapter. In the next video, we will do the next part. Till we meet again, happy learning everyone. Hey there, if you have just started with your own YouTube channel, I would recommend you to check the link below in the description. There you will find some gadgets that will give you a good boost in your channel. That gave me and I would recommend you to do the same. If you found this video of any help, do click the like button and share. If you have any suggestion that will help us grow, please feel free to give your suggestions down below in the comment section. To get the latest update and uploads from our channel, do click the red subscribe button down below.